Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and today we're going to be looking at something that Apple announced when they made the announcement of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is spatial audio. Now, spatial audio has to do with space. They didn't actually speak a lot about this feature that phones should have or might have, and I actually haven't really seen many YouTubers covering that, probably because it's something that is actually hard for you to show on a video. And I'm here with DK. Actually, say hi to DK. So yeah, that's DK. This is on the normal lens, this is wide.
Hi guys.
Actually back to normal. I can zoom slowly. So did you find anything on spatial audio on that laptop of yours?
Well, nothing special.
Nothing special.
Nothing special.
Okay. So what we're going to be trying to do in this video is to see if we can actually find a difference between the audio. We're going to be using the iPhone XR, which is actually not a advisable comparison for you to make if you want to compare apples to apples. See what I did there? If you want to compare apples to apples, you should actually be comparing the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the iPhone XS Max. But because we don't have that device right now, we're just going to be using this guy. So now I'm going to play audio from two programs. I'm going to play from Netflix and from YouTube, just to see if I can actually notice a difference between the audio of the two devices. Note that actually these devices should already have a difference, since this is a lower version of this one, and also this is the Pro version. But anyways, let's start with a tune in let's start with the track on YouTube, and we're just gonna listen. I'm just gonna listen to it a little bit and actually see if I can actually notice any difference in terms of the audio output actually. So I'm gonna start with this device here. Now let me switch to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Obviously this device is going to be much louder than this one, but I just want to see this spatial audio. Will you actually occupy the whole space? Actually, just from listening, just from a basic listening, you can actually, on this one, you can actually tell exactly where the sound is coming up. You can actually tell that it's coming out from the speaker below and from the speaker that's actually on top of the screen. And you can actually make the difference. But on this one, it feels like it's actually coming from the actual screen itself. I think that's the best way that I can actually explain how the sound is coming out. There isn't much of a big difference that you really, I don't think you're really gonna notice if you just grab one, listen to it, and then you wait for a while and then you listen to the other device. I think only if you put both right after the other, you actually gonna notice that difference in the audio. Now let's try something from maybe Netflix.
But I'm warning you, the deal's off if anyone decides to come after us. What you see there is a torpedo launcher.
Well, Kageyama, as Resource Investigation Division Manager, how do you explain this?
Regarding the case we've recently... You don't want to float home on what's left of your ship? I recommend you stay put for the next half hour. After that, you're free to do as you wish.
I mean, there is definitely a little bit of a difference, but it's really not that much noticeable, I will tell you. But there is improvement on the audio on the 11 Pro Max as compared to the iPhone XR. So we quickly just stepped outside just to test night mode a little bit. So I have my dog there in the frame, which actually she should be opened already, but because I have a visitor, she will still be locked. But anyways, night mode, as you can see, is actually pretty clear, but I haven't even activated the automatic night mode. So I think actually it's kind of automatic. Look at that. If I press here, I'm guessing that is the night mode, and look at actually how bright it gets. Now, bang. So there is Mona. She'll be our model for tonight. And then let's snap one. This is actually automatic night mode. As you can see, after processing, you can even see details in the sky. Right now in the camera, point to the sky to see if the camera can see anything in the sky.
Dark.
And it's dark. That's on ISO 6400 and nothing. So that's Mona. Let's take another one, actually, another picture of Mona. Now what I don't understand actually yet is, does this mean it's already on or it's still off? So if I press there, it's like it's off like this. I think it's off. Of the sky. So now what I'm trying to do is maybe just take a picture of the sky, and it's going to be it for this test because it's really cold out here. It's not supposed to be actually be cold because it's almost summer, né? It's almost summer. I don't know why the weather is acting up like that. So we were trying to take pictures of the sky, the beautiful sky. As you guys can see, actually another comparison with that camera. Point to the sky. It's really dark out here. It's not even a joke. So that is that's the sky. So if I have to actually just change the ISO on the camera, let's boost it to 60, maybe 1000. Okay, 2500, so that's as high as it goes. 60, oh, it actually goes very high. So I boosted the ISO of the camera very high, but I like keeping it on 6400. So it's really dark outside anyways. So let's actually try and take another one on the sky. And it's actually much better. It's actually much better if you do this with your phone on a tripod, so it doesn't actually shake while it's processing. So the sky is there. Let's see the sky. Wow, and it's really nice. Now I'm gonna actually take one of myself. If I can just position myself properly, and then you just press the button, DK. Is it okay? Yeah, it's good. Is it fine?
Yeah.
So I think it's done processing now. Let's see how it looks. Wow, it's clear as day. Oh wow. So yeah, that's night mode. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, obviously give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.